Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the best tools and equipment for all your woodworking projects. In today's video, we have something special for you as we delve into the world of wood routers. We'll be sharing our top 5 wood router reviews for 2023, helping you find the perfect tool to take your woodworking skills to the next level. These routers are not just ordinary ones. They are designed to provide precision, power, and versatility, making them essential for any woodworker. So grab your safety goggles and join us as we dive into the world of wood routers. Links to all the featured products can be found in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our future woodworking tool reviews. Let's get started and craft some masterpieces together. Starting at number 5, the Ludaby electric wood router is a powerful and efficient tool designed for woodworking, milling, engraving, and trimming tasks. With its all-copper motor and strong power, this router offers stable performance and reliable results. The router features an external carbon brush design, allowing for easy replacement when needed. This enhances the durability and longevity of the tool, ensuring its continuous functionality. The base height of the router is adjustable, providing flexibility to meet different woodworking needs. Whether you're cutting, trimming, slotting, or making holes in wood, this router is suitable for a variety of woodworking operations. The Ludaby electric wood router is widely used in wood processing, cabinet manufacturing, and handicraft production. Its versatility makes it an essential tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. With its 800 W input power and a speed of 30,000 RPM, this router delivers strong cutting performance and stability. The router is available in both 220V and 110V versions to accommodate different electrical systems. Overall, the Ludaby electric wood router is a reliable and efficient tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Its powerful motor, adjustable base height, and wide range of applications make it a valuable addition to any woodworking workshop. At number 4, the Luwo Woodworking Electric Trimmer is a compact and portable tool designed for woodworking tasks. With its rechargeable 20V battery, this trimmer offers wireless convenience and freedom of movement. This electric trimmer features a brushless motor, ensuring efficient performance and a longer service life. The high-quality stainless steel construction adds durability, making it a reliable choice for various woodworking applications. The Luwo Woodworking Electric Trimmer can be used for chopping, scraping, and slicing different types of wood. Whether you're working on woodworking projects or engaging in carving activities, this trimmer is suitable for commercial manufacture and DIY tasks. With its compact and lightweight design, this trimmer is easy to store and carry. It fits perfectly in a pocket or backpack, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. Although compact, this trimmer delivers reliable performance and precise cuts. It is a versatile tool for woodworking enthusiasts looking for a portable and efficient solution. At number 3, the Vever Wood Router is a powerful and versatile tool designed for woodworking and carpentry tasks. With its 710 W power input and variable speed control, this router is suitable for a wide range of applications, from wood processing to furniture manufacturing. The variable speed control allows for easy adjustment from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, enabling users to tackle different types of softwoods and hardwoods with precision. The speed adjusting dial provides full control over the routing process, ensuring optimal results. The Vever Wood Router features a smooth, soft start, allowing for quick and gentle startup with less torque. This feature enhances user control and reduces the chance of sudden movements or jerks during operation. The router is equipped with a fast and precise depth adjustment system, allowing for both macro and micro adjustments. The quick clamp system enables easy motor adjustment and base removal/installation, enhancing versatility and convenience. Ergonomically designed with vibration-reducing cast aluminum housing and soft grip handles, this router offers increased comfort and control. The included dust hood allows for easy connection to a vacuum system, keeping the work area clean. The Vever Wood Router finds wide application in wood processing, furniture manufacturing, and other industries. Whether it's chamfering, grooving, surface finishing, curve cutting, or planing wood edges, this router can handle a variety of operations with ease. In summary, the Vever Wood Router is a powerful and reliable tool for woodworking and carpentry tasks. Its variable speed control, ergonomic design, and wide application range make it a suitable choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. At number 2, the Woyofata Cordless Electric Wood Router is a convenient and versatile tool designed for woodworking enthusiasts. With its cordless design and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries, this router offers freedom of movement and flexibility. One of the notable features of this wood router is its transparent base, providing a clear line of sight for precise and accurate routing. The standard 1/4 inch collet accepts most router bits, making it suitable for various woodworking applications. The cutting depth can be easily adjusted, allowing for accurate cuts based on your project requirements. With 6 adjustable speeds, this router offers easy control over the routing process, ensuring optimal results. The Woyofata Cordless Electric Wood Router is suitable for home woodworking remodeling projects, roundovers, and flush trimming. It is designed to meet the needs of DIY enthusiasts, providing them with a reliable and user-friendly tool. The brushless motor delivers efficient power, ensuring smooth operation and longer battery life. The router's lightweight and compact design make it easy to handle and store, providing convenience for users. Overall, the Woyofata Cordless Electric Wood Router is a practical and versatile tool for woodworking enthusiasts. Its cordless design, adjustable speeds, and compatibility with Makita 18V batteries make it a suitable choice for DIY projects and woodworking tasks. At number 1, the PT Club Electric Trimmer Router is a powerful and versatile tool designed for woodworking and carpentry projects. With its 710 kW motor, this router offers excellent power for a wide range of applications, making it suitable for home DIY enthusiasts. One of the standout features of this trimmer router is its variable speed control dial, allowing users to adjust the speed from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM. This feature enables precise control and matching of the speed to different applications, ensuring optimal results. The electronic speed control maintains a constant speed under load, enhancing performance and efficiency. The soft start feature provides smooth startups, minimizing any sudden movements or jolts. These features contribute to the overall user-friendliness and ease of operation. The PT Club Electric Trimmer Router is equipped with a fixed base that accepts industry-standard template guides, offering convenience and compatibility. The high-visibility base design improves handling and performance, allowing for better accuracy in routing tasks. The rack and pinion fine-depth adjustment system allows for precise depth settings, ensuring accuracy in cutting depths. The slim and ergonomically designed body enhances comfort and control during use, reducing fatigue. With its quick-release cam lock system, depth adjustments, and base removal/installation are hassle-free, saving time and effort. The heavy-duty aluminum motor housing adds durability, ensuring long-term reliability. Overall, the PT Club Electric Trimmer Router is a high-quality woodworking tool suitable for home DIY projects. Its variable speed control, ease of use, and durable construction make it an excellent choice for users looking for a reliable and versatile trimmer router. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.